Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by connecting and verifying your Xbox controller so input is reliable. If wireless, pair it and confirm battery and firmware. Once connected, open the emulator and ensure you have the latest stable build plus any input plugins installed. This prevents compatibility quirks. Then load or create a controller profile that maps Xbox buttons to the N64 layout so you can test immediately. Make sure to save that profile in the emulator's config folder before proceeding to mapping adjustments. You now assign inputs. Map the Xbox left stick or D-pad to the N64 analog stick and set sensitivity plus a small dead zone so the character doesn't drift. Next, map face buttons, A, B, and Z, to their N64 counterparts and use triggers or bumpers for R and L. Assign C buttons to the remaining face or shoulder buttons deliberately. Once done, enter the emulator's input test mode and repeatedly test movement, camera control, and vibration, then tweak sensitivity or invert axes until controls feel native. You finish by saving the controller profile and exporting a backup so you can reuse settings across games and machines. Once saved, load several ROMs and enable per-game overrides where needed because some titles require different sensitivity or plug-in backends. If things go wrong, start simple. Switch to a wired USB connection, reinstall Xbox controller drivers, and verify the emulator uses the intended input plugin. Finally, reset the emulator config or recreate the profile if persistent glitches remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.